In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Figma. Whether you're reviewing a full layout or fine-tuning a tiny icon, mastering zoom will help you move faster and stay focused on what matters. First, open Figma and head into the file or canvas you want to work on. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. The zoom controls work the same way in both. Once your design is open, look toward the right side of the toolbar for the current zoom level. You'll see a percentage, like 100%. That number is your gateway to precise control over how close or far you're viewing the canvas. Click the percentage to open the zoom menu. Here, you'll find quick commands that let you adjust your view without dragging around the canvas. If you need a closer look, choose Zoom In. If your view feels too tight, choose Zoom Out. Each click moves you in or out by a predictable increment, which is great when you want consistency as you work through detailed tasks. Inside this same menu, you'll also see options that help you reframe your entire workspace in a single click. Zoom to Fit is especially handy when you've wandered off or your canvas feels overwhelming. It automatically adjusts the view so everything on your page fits neatly inside the window. Depending on what's on your screen, you may also see options like Fit Selection, which frames the object you have selected, or presets like 50%, 100%, and 200% for quick, repeatable zoom levels. If you ever feel lost, returning to 100% is a reliable baseline for judging scale and legibility. There's also a fast second way to zoom that feels more fluid. Hold the Control key on your keyboard and use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out. On a Mac, use the Command key. This method zooms toward wherever your cursor is pointing, so it's perfect for diving straight into the area you want to inspect. If you're on a trackpad, a pinch gesture works similarly and keeps your hands on the keyboard and trackpad for smooth navigation. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Keep your cursor over the specific element you want to examine before zooming, so Figma centers your movement exactly where you need it. And if your view gets disoriented, use Zoom to Fit to reset your perspective in a single click. That's it. With the Zoom percentage menu and the Keyboard plus Scroll method, you've got everything you need to move effortlessly between the big picture and the fine details in Figma.